Hello! Welcome on our Krakow campus. Today we are hosting here the VC Roundtable. We have 150 attendees and investors from 6 different VC funds.
The purpose of those meetups is to make sure that you're well connected in the ecosystem. If you're looking for funding, then this type of events like today, when other VCs are sharing their insights, can be a way of improving your skills without making the same mistakes.
Today is one of the bigger ones since the official end of pandemic. This is not the last big event we're hosting. We aspire for Hubraum to become the central focal point for 5G development.
It was amazing night and amazing year for us as Hubraum. We hope that for you too. So we are wishing you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year and looking forward to meet you in 2023.